Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about what the orange and green dots mean in iOS 14. Now, if you guys haven't noticed already, there's a little orange dot top of my screen right now. Now, that is there because I am currently screen recording and I'm using the microphone. So that's basically just like a little sensor, just letting you know that the microphone is being used. If you're unaware of what's being used right now, if you see that dot on your screen, if you just swipe to your control center, you'll see right here that it's being used by system because I'm using it to screen record right now. But say, for example, you weren't aware of what's being used. If you go to your control center, it'll always tell you what's being used or what was used recently if it was just there and you weren't aware of what was being used. So that is that for there. Now, since I'm screen recording, I won't be able to show you guys what the green one is. So I've pulled up a little article from 9to5Mac here that basically goes over what the green dot means. And it basically says the green dot appears when an app is using the camera. So like when you're taking a photo, camera access implies access to the microphone as well. So in this case, you won't see the orange dot, you'll just see the green one if it's using both. But the green color matches the LEDs used in the MacBook and iMac products that you guys are aware of. If you own one of those products, you'll notice the green light goes on when the camera is being used. So it's basically just letting you know that an application is using the camera. So if you do see that when it doesn't make sense, if it just lets you know that you can go over to your control center and see what was recently used. So it's basically just like a warning system just to help people calm down a little bit about privacy, because obviously since cameras are there all the time, people tend to get worried about those. So this just lets you know whenever those are being used. I'll leave a link over to this article in the description as well if you guys want to read into detail for yourself, if you want a little bit more information. But that basically sums up why the dots appear on your screen on iOS 14. So I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial and just basically talk to you guys about what these dots mean. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.